Hi there. Today we will learn how to set recovery mail or phone number for any Facebook ID so that we can recover our Facebook ID when needed. Log into Facebook ID. Click on the profile icon. Settings and privacy. Then Settings. Click here. Personal details. Finally, contact info. Here you can add email or phone number as your Facebook recovery address. I will be taking phone number. Now change the country. Type the number and tick on the profile. Facebook will send a code to the number or mail given. Just type the confirmation code here and your recovery method is verified. This is the simple way to set phone number or mail as your Facebook recovery. If you found this useful, then please be with us and subscribe. Goodbye.